All right, I'm Josh Saldivar, plant manager here at BluePrint Engines, and we're in our dyno area. When we're doing our dyno pull, we're looking at horsepower, we look at torque, we look at our EGT sensors to make sure all the cylinders are running properly, and what we're trying to do is simulate the engine running in your vehicle so it meets or exceeds your expectations when you get it.
This particular engine that we're going to run right now is one of our models of our 350s. We dyno test every engine that leaves our facility if it's got cylinder heads and an oil pan installed. We're going to see what this one can do. Waldo, can you do a pull? How'd the oil pressure look?
The oil pressure looked good.
Good. And what did it make for horsepower?
396.
Wow. So this particular engine is advertised at 360 horsepower. As we ran it today, it made 396. It'll make it through all of our quality checks. It meets our advertised horsepower and torque numbers, so it'll go on to packaging next.